So it's day 2 of the weekly cooking. Pretty excited. Actually, like day 1 cooking. And oh my gosh, so today's Monday and I'll be making salmon puff pastry. This is my first time. Some things I've gotten out of Don's recipe book, and some things I don't know, I just go by what I've seen Don cook over the years, and I watch him even though he thinks I don't watch him, but I do, so I can learn a bit. I'm trying my best, but we didn't get to finish up yesterday's vlog. This is Monday and I'm going to be starting on day 2 with the cooking. But yesterday vlog, everything went well. They liked the food and everyone was like, oh, it's so good. I'm going to start prepping for today's meal. Actually, I was supposed to use puff pastry for what I'm doing today. I don't know anything about anything when it comes to different type of food. You know, when it's not Jamaican food, I don't know exactly what to do. But anyway, I thought when Don made this puff pastry salmon, I thought that he used like a croissant. So I asked him to pick me up this. Actually, Don doesn't know what I'm doing, so I asked him to get me a couple of these. And so I was thinking, wait a minute, did I get the wrong thing? And I said, Don, I need you to help me roll out this croissant puff pastry thing. He's like, that's not a puff pastry. I'm like, really? So he went to the shop to get me some puff pastry, because I was asking him if I could make one out of his recipe book from scratch, and he was telling me that no, it's not going to work, it takes time. And now it's about 3 minutes to 4 and we need dinner to get going. I'm prepping my veg to put in the puff pastry. That kind of paste that they do, is that correct? Yeah, with the spinach and everything, so I can get started while, you know, waiting on Don. Using some cheese. This spinach, I should have gotten fresh spinach, but this is the spinach. I should have gotten fresh spinach. I'm going to be using some garlic, onions, olive oil, cream cheese, and butter. So those are the ingredients. And also, yeah, I think that. And I'll show you my fish. Actually, I'm using salmon and another type of fish. And then I'm just going to cut these veg up. What am I doing? So it's butter. I'm just getting. If you're not in the mood to do something, actually, if you don't like it, then you're not going to put out a lot of effort. Food going to taste crappy and all of that, and I'm not going to give them a crappy food, so that doesn't even make sense. I don't think I'm going to use all this onion. I'm trying not to get caught. Alexandra. Hi, baby. Oh my God. Oh, it's burning. It's burning real bad. Oh, it's burning so badly. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get it as small as possible. Oh my gosh, my eyes are burning. It's on actually. I'm going to prep this another time waiting on Don. So what do you do? I should have had, you know what, I realized I didn't have my cream cheese to sit out for long, so I don't know if I use all the cream cheese. I'm just going to go ahead and use all of it. But first, I think butter. Let me get a spoon. To use oil, I'm going to use butter instead. Not sure how many butter, but I'm just putting in butter. And I think when the butter then it's garlic next. I think on the butter I'm going to put this in. So I'm going to put my onion and garlic in. Okay. This is so hot. I hope this is enough. Because you know you want that flavor. I seen this. I remember Dan cooked this like probably 2 years ago. And it's so good. So I'm trying to recreate the thing. I hope he likes it. So far they're liking everything. Actually just one day so far. But I know they like it. They like when I do Jamaican food. It's not like hand cook. I can actually cook. But as I said, anything other than Jamaican food is a challenge for me. I think one day I'll try to make them steak. I hope it works out. But anyway, what's next? The spinach. Should have used fresh spinach, but I'm using frozen spinach. This is so hard. Why is it so hard? Should this have been thawed out? I'm not sure. Okay, I need to turn this down because some things are burning. Some things are burning. Oh my gosh, why is this? Maybe I should have thawed it out. I'm not sure, but oh my gosh, this is so hard. I'm going to put a bit of olive oil. This is so hard. Oh my gosh. This is tough. I'm going to turn this down really low. Okay, I'm going to turn this down really low. Is that you, Don?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is going to take a while because this thing is very hard. Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
I gotta pay you first. Okay. Okay, so here's my puff pastry done bought them for me. So I'm pretty excited. So I can start cooking. I don't know how many should I use. Should I open both of them? I'm going to open one first and then I'll see if I do need the other one.
You need to let that thaw a little bit, please.
This one?
Yeah.
This out for a bit. It's so hard. Why is it so hard?
It's supposed to be frozen.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Just add one more. Alexandra calling me.
Yeah, okay. Well, we'll be here waiting to see what surprises you have for us.
So Don, I was telling them how tasty yesterday's meal was.
Yeah.
But I need for you to tell them, not just from my words, but from you. So, how was yesterday dinner? How was it? Because I didn't get to close out the video, and I want to add this footage to it. So, how was yesterday dinner?
Yesterday's dinner was it was exceptional. It was really good. The kids were surprised, but I was in here watching her put it together, so I know it was going to taste good. But she did a really good job.
Yeah, thank you.
Taste-wise, presentation was nice. You know, it was good. It was really good.
Okay, so you think I should keep going for the whole week?
Oh yeah, I think you should keep going because I want to keep sitting.
Okay. Okay, I'll keep going. So today's meal is going to be very good. Today. I'm going to season this with some black pepper and salt. Now for my art, I'm going to add little bread crumbs. Not a lot. And my cream cheese, I think I'm just going to use all of it. Oh, I'm going to add a bit of cheese. Like I said, it's supposed to be Parmesan, but I'm using, it's supposed to be Parmesan cheese, but I'm using a bit of Mexican cheese. This is going to be so good. Oh my gosh. Wait until they taste today's meal. Oh my gosh. Add a bit more black pepper, not too much, because I'm going to season the fish actually. Okay, turn that off. Looking really good. So I'm going to roll out these puff pastries just a little bit because they're actually too small for what I'm doing. I hope this doesn't break. Oh my gosh, it's sticking to it. It's sticking. I hope this doesn't break. I'm going to add my salmon. Which way should I turn it? This way. I need to seal the ends, so I'm going to probably turn it this way. Black pepper, a bit of salt. So I'm going to add some of my, what do you call this? I don't know. So I'm just going to add some of the filling to it. To add another salmon on top. Because it's not thick enough for me, so I kind of want to, you know, get it a bit high. So I'm going to season that part. Not too salt on this part, but I put salt on the other side. That's it. Oh, I do have some egg wash here that I'm going to use and brush it. So I can lock it. You see, I made like a sandwich because the salmon is not that thick. I'm going to lap it over. And it's going to be like a salmon Wellington, I think. So now I'm going to lap this over. Try to do it as tight as possible. Bear with me, this is my first time. Okay, I'm going to see, because I think the egg wash Don said is to seal it. So I don't know, I'm going to seal all these other parts, but I think it's going to stay up. Now, I remember, you kind of egg wash the top. I guess the top egg wash, I think it's to get that crisp color. I'm not sure. What is it, Don? Why you brush it?
Yeah, to get that little golden, nice crust on top.
Okay, so to get that nice golden crust on the top. They already hear you. Okay, so I remember one thing. Going to give these a bit of slit. Kind of style it up. A little slit. Ooh. Okay, so like a crisscross. So I guess it looks stylish when it comes out. It looks so good. What am I doing? Oh, push start, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to bring this over here on the baking sheet. And that's my first one. I'm going to show you them. So I'm just going to finish up the rest. And yeah, I'm just probably going to speed through this video a bit. At this one. So this is it. I have salmon. I think I split that one too hard. Yeah. And this is the other set. So I have 3 on each sheet pan. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to leave that in for about 25 to 30 minutes. Yeah, about 25 to 30 minutes, and then it shall be ready. So I'm taking a little break. I wanted to get out my comfort zone and cook some things that I've never cooked before. And yeah, I think I'm getting a grip of it. I'm going to try and start cooking early tomorrow because I've noticed, you know, yesterday, Sunday, we normally eat dinner about what time? 3 o'clock?
Yeah, about 3 o'clock.
I finished cook about 6:30. That was
Yep.
bad. And now it's like what time? 5:30?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. And we have half an hour. So it's kind of turned into a pattern I don't want, because we don't eat dinner this late. By this time, we would have finished with dinner already and looking to eat supper about 6, 7 o'clock.
Because you have the fortunate privilege of having a chef cook for you.
But anyway, but I'll try tomorrow. I should prep stuff. Probably I should do that, right, Dad?
Yeah.
It would, but the thing is, they're so easy. The things that I'm cooking, they're easy. I don't know why it's taking that long.
Because you didn't prep.
Okay, tomorrow I'll prep so we can finish. So I can finish dinner about, you know, the most 3:30. Yeah, so the kids won't complain. Now I'll go serve everyone. You want to change it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a different one. Let me have the plate. Complaining Danielle.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Then I'll ask everyone what they think about it. I'm going to enjoy mine. It's kind of big. I didn't know it would swell up that big.
That's why they call it puff pastry.
Well, whatever. But I was actually wondering why. But anyway, I'm just going to enjoy dinner, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Mama, do you want your food? You're hungry? Say thank you, Jesus, for this food. Amen. Today's dinner was good. Everyone loves it. That's it, guys. I'm feeding Alexandra. We're going to relax for a bit. That's her. Oh my gosh. Guys, that's it for today, and I'll catch you tomorrow for Tuesday video. Stay in prayer up, stay in faith. Remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.